I'm Erin Sega for Erik the Travel Guy. Welcome to beautiful Mackinac Island.
The minute you take your first step here, you and yours will instantly understand you've chosen someplace special to vacation. This picturesque northern Michigan island, nestled between the state's upper and lower peninsulas near the Straits of Mackinac, is where Lake Huron and Lake Michigan come together and wave hello. Luxurious resorts, a walkable downtown, bed and breakfasts and inns, family fun, green spaces, gorgeous vistas, world-famous fudge, and so much more can all be a part of your stay.
There's an old saying I just made up. It goes like this. Come to Mackinac for the fudge, stay for the food. We've got options.
Although this is primarily a three-season place to visit, while you're here, treat yourself to delicious meals from the elegant to the casual. Locally owned restaurants, bistros, and grills are at just about every turn. And those turns are made by horse-drawn carriages because no motorized vehicles are permitted on the island. So rent a bike and explore the fort or the miles of hiking trails, play a round of golf, or just relax in a comfy chair with a stunning view. Mackinac represents a simpler time in this nation's history. Bring the family and learn why so many make Mackinac Island, Michigan an annual event vacation.
From Mackinac Island, I'm Erin Sega for Erik the Travel Guy. Thanks for watching.
For more information and to book your next Mackinac Island getaway, visit the official tourism site mackinacisland.org.